Welcome, today I am with XIAOMI Redmi K40 and today I will show you how you can customize your Always On Display. At the first, to reach that option you have to go for the settings, pick Always On Display on the lock screen and click on the Always On Display. Tap on this switcher to enable this option. At the first we can pick display items, we can set schedule for 10 seconds after tapping or pick always. When you go back you can choose your theme. Here we got a couple of them like signature, analog or any other. My favorite is this one, so I'm going to click on it and set it up. As you can see, we can change text color. We can also adjust displayed items. Click apply to confirm and apply this theme. Take a look. As you can see, it works. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.